Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you making the most of your freezer? If all that's in there is ice cream, frozen dinners, and ice cubes, you're missing out. Freezing food is an awesome way to save both time and money. But if you're not doing it right, freezer burn can ruin your food. Today I'm going to show you how to freeze food properly and prevent freezer burn. Let's dive in. Freezer burn happens when food dries out in the freezer. It can be caused by air exposure or fluctuating temperatures. Don't worry, though it's easy to prevent with a few simple steps. First up, avoid overstuffing your freezer. If your freezer's too full, it can cause uneven freezing and increase the risk of freezer burn. If you have just a fridge freezer, consider getting an extra chest or upright freezer. They're affordable and come in all sizes. Now, here's a big tip. Wait until your food is cool before freezing it. Never put hot food straight into the freezer. Hot food can thaw out the other items in your freezer, and that's a recipe for disaster. But don't leave it out for too long. Either food safety is important. If it's not cooling down quickly enough, try placing the dish in a bowl of ice to speed things up. Next, add extra protection. If you're freezing food in its original packaging, add a layer of foil or a freezer bag for extra defense. For homemade meals, wrap the food in plastic wrap under the lid to prevent frost and freezer burn from forming. When freezing meals, avoid putting too much hot food in the freezer at once. It can raise the temperature inside, causing freezer burn on your other items. Freeze in smaller batches to keep things safe. And remember, don't freeze food forever. While some items can last a year or more, others should be used within a few months. The longer food stays in the freezer, the higher the chance of freezer burn. Last but not least, make sure your food is sealed tight in a freezer-safe container. Vacuum sealers are perfect for this, but you can also use a rubber band to seal an open bag of food. The less air, the better. Freezer burn doesn't have to ruin your frozen food. With these simple steps, you can keep your meals fresh and save money at the same time. Do you have any freezer burn horror stories? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. See you next time.